In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the QuickBooks Online default email message text. Customizing the email message text in QuickBooks Online is a quick and easy way to add a personal touch to your communications with customers, whether you want to adjust the subject line, add specific details to the body, or make the content more professional. This tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to get it done, and if you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to create your account and get started. Now let's dive into the steps. First, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a small gear icon there. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will open a new window where you can manage all kinds of preferences for your QuickBooks Online account. Next, in the Account and Settings window, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, click on the Sales tab. This tab contains options specifically related to your sales processes and transactions. Within the Sales tab, scroll down until you find the section labeled Messages. Click on this section to open it. The Messages section is where you can manage the default email text for various transaction types. Now it's time to choose the type of transaction you want to customize. QuickBooks Online allows you to edit the default messages for different transaction types, such as invoices or sales receipts. Simply select the one that matches what you need to adjust. Once you've chosen the transaction type, you'll see editable fields for both the email subject line and the body of the message. Here's your chance to make the email exactly how you want it. Whether you want to include a friendly greeting, specify payment terms, or add your business's unique touch, you can type your desired text directly into these fields. Take your time to ensure the email reflects your tone and branding. When you're satisfied with the changes, locate the Save button, typically at the bottom or corner of the section. Click Save to store all your edits. And that's it. You've successfully customized the default email message text in QuickBooks Online. From now on, your customers will receive emails that better represent your business and suit your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.